Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for April 28th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair moved higher today, closed higher, overall moving sideways with a bias that is sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 94.81, possibly as low as 92.53. Look for some resistance around 94.35 and look for some support around 93.60. Okay, now switching over to the Euro-USD pair. This particular pair closed higher today. Overall, this pair is moving lower. We are looking for this pair to possibly go as high as 133.22, possibly as low as 130.36. Look for some resistance around 132.75 and look for some support around 131.00. Now, looking at the pound US dollar pair, this pair closed lower, did break previous support, but did close higher, closed down overall, but did pull back a significant amount before closing. We are looking for this pair to potentially go as high and hit resistance at 152.95, possibly moving down to 151.25 and hitting support at that level. Now let's take a look at the US Swiss. This particular pair closed down today. It did break the previous bar's high, previous session's high, but pulled back down. Overall, this pair is moving to the upside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 10983, possibly as low as 10768. Look for some resistance around 10925, and look for some support around 10801. Now, as far as news announcements go, we have the Euro releasing the German unemployment change for April at 3:55 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus is that things have improved from a negative 31K to negative 10K. The Eurozone has their industrial confidence report for April being released at 5 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on it is that it has moved higher from negative 10 to negative 8. And we also have the Bank of Japan releasing their interest rate decision. No time given. However, it is suspected that they will hold rates at 0.10%. Now, as far as what I'm looking at during this next session, we have a trade. We have a swing trade in the US-Japanese yen pair. This particular pair, let me zoom out a little bit, did create a swing trade setup over the past 3 days, 3 sessions rather. Definitely look for it to go up. If you want just a quick scalp, you could look for the break and then look to exit. But most likely we will get it to come on up. Let me zoom back in and we can take a closer look. Basically looking for a buy right here and then about 5 pips up, possibly grabbing a scalp. That's pretty quick though. That's not very much to grab at all. I'd look to go ahead and get the 40 pips there on that move. So if we get a break here, go ahead and buy and look for it to come on up to this point. And at that point, go ahead and exit. If you want to, you could, at the 5 pip mark right here, since we do have previous resistance in this area, go ahead and go to break even. It's pretty tight to go to break even with 5 pips, but nonetheless, you could do it. Well, that about does it for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.